Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be working on the Mustang. I got held up because of weather. It was really bad out here. It was raining a lot. I had a little mudslide deal by our house, but anyways, I'm going to be stripping some of the bumpers and stuff, whatever's left on the car, off the front end. So it'll be an interesting day, and I'll show you some new accessories to the garage as well. So catch you guys in a second. So as I'm looking on how to take apart the front grille, I noticed that there's a screw here with a washer, and over here is a bolt. So the car just has random stuff holding it together for the most part is what I've noticed. So I'm going to have to be photographing most of this stuff so I can put it back together, and also that's what this video is kind of for, is also for me in the future to see how to put everything back together. But just this grill here is gonna come out, headlights, then I can get to this piece down here. Looks like it comes out with these down here. Then the bumper will have to come off. So I'll see if I can do that with the time that I have now and get to it. Yeah, so this stupid little nut that's right here was actually a 7mm, which is not factory whatsoever. So yeah. Upon taking this off, I have realized that this entire piece is actually held on by the trim, and that this is not all one piece, so we'll have to take the trim off in a minute, but I'm going to start taking out the headlights first. Here's the hardware that I was holding on the grill. I'm not sure what was factory or what was not factory, but it's probably safe to assume that maybe one or two things were factory, or none of it was factory. Because what the heck? And then, yeah, that was holding on the grill. All of this random stuff. But the grill is actually off the car now, and it looks all weird, but gotta paint it, so. Okay, so even on the headlights, little bezel that holds them on, look at this. That was holding the passenger side headlight on, and then over here, same kind of deal. I'm not sure that this is factory, but someone in the comments could tell me. That would be nice, but I have no idea. I'm not sure that would be factory because that's fine thread, and then this is like a screw literally, so I don't know, but guys tell me. This thing's full of random mix match stuff, and I know most of it is not factory whatsoever because I worked on the other Mustang that I have, and that was not like this. So I think I might have to just take this trim off all the way and then be done here. Then I gotta get to the bumper itself. So well guys, when I was filming this, it started raining outside, which means I cannot push the car outside to take the bumper off, and so I'm basically just using this video as an update video for you guys. See what's going on. Car's going to be sanded and painted, and it's also really cold outside. It's probably like 40s. Thank you guys for watching, and keep up the support.